Taylor, are you ready? You're gonna go find what the Easter egg or Easter bunny brought ya? Okay, there's eggs in this room right here, okay? You find the eggs. Okay, ready? Set, go! Whoa! What does that sound like? Careful when you open it. Careful when you open it. What is that? What is that? What is that?
I don't know.
You don't know? That's money.
Can I put them in my froggy?
In your piggy bank? Yes, you can. Not right now. We got 3 more eggs to find. Close that one up. Okay, go find your other eggs.
Can I throw it here?
Yep, leave that right there. What's that?
Pennies again.
More money? Okay, you got 2 more.
Where?
You gotta look for them.
Why 2 more?
There's 2 more.
No, why?
There's 2 more in this room. Whoa! What's in there?
Candy rose.
Candy?
Yeah, candy. Hearts.
Yeah. Okay, you got 1 more.
Where? Where, Mom? Where?
I don't know, you gotta look for it. Look around. Keep looking. Oh, nothing there. Yay!
And this one.
Good job, Taylor. What's in?
Candy bars.
Candy! Okay, now, Easter Bunny brought you 1 more thing, but it's in the family room.
Okay. Can we go see?
Yeah, you gotta go find it. Go find it.
In my room?
Nope, it's in this family room. What's that?
Flashlight.
Well, pull the pillows back. What else is back there? Whoa! More eggs. Where are you going?
Get this under the chair. More things.
What else is in there? Candy. More candy. Oh, more eggs.
Wow, candy.
More candy. What else do you got? Where are you going?
Get this thing on the chair.
It's got to put all the candy together.
Oh, we did.
What else is in your basket?
Jelly dolls,
What are those?
spiders, and dinosaurs.
What is that? You know what that is? That's a bug kit.
Yeah. And a bed.
And more candy. Oh, I think that's it.
I got a lot. Hey, Mom, can I get one? Can I get one?
You can open that, but before I do, can you say hi to Daddy? Can you wave and say hi, Daddy? What about your hi?
Hi.
Hi, Daddy.
Hi, Daddy. Hey, Mom, can I eat a lot?
No, not right now. We're gonna go have breakfast. Okay, so wave bye. Say bye, Daddy.
Bye, Daddy.